Yo, what is good, guys? What is good, guys? I know it's been 2 fucking months since I have posted a video on my channel. Sorry about that, guys. Sorry, I'm a little stuffy in my nose. I don't know, my allergies have been killing me these last few days, and I'm going through a moving process, so a lot of like dust and stuff like that. So it's freaking killing me, man. So what has changed in the last 2 months, man? We got rid of the McLaren, bro. We couldn't deal with it no more, man. It was too many issues, man. It freaking ended up having an oil leak too. I said, no, this car's gone. Ended up getting another Lamborghini again, unfortunately. I can't even look at the camera, guys. I feel so bad. It's been 2 months. I haven't posted anything, not even a breakdown. You know, but anyways, I got some cool stuff to post, right? On this one. So on this one, I'm gonna be showing you guys a little bit of vlogging, and also I want to show you guys the, show you some chart work, man. Some trades we took on this nice little account flip that I'm doing right now. I opened the account last week on Monday. Now the account is literally up 300 fucking %. Yes, it's up 300%. It's a small account balance, flipping it, just trying to do like a little, small flip to a big flip. So this would be part 1 to that series. I don't know what I'm gonna do with the money when I'm done with it. Hopefully we don't blow it. But yeah, so far the account is up 300%. Everything is going really good, actually. But other than that, guys, let's go straight into this this vlog, man. I want to show you guys the new car before anything. So let's go look at the Lamborghini, bro. I know you guys are gonna love it. We even got a wing installed. We got the exhaust that just got here. I just gotta go take the car to Lamborghini for them to install it, as well as the springs. And the wrap has been here for a week as well. So we gotta do the exhaust first and the springs, and then we will wrap it. So that way they don't mess up the wrap. So I was like, let me do that after. But oops. Anyways, yeah, guys, let's go look at the Lamborghini. I know you guys are gonna love it. And there she is, boys. Sorry, it's a little windy and there's a freaking dog barking in the background. But yeah, boys, there she is. We just installed that wing right there too. It's pretty dope. It's from 1016. It's pretty nice. Look, carbon fiber. Looks pretty raw. But anyways, yeah, that's the new baby. 720 was just too much drama. And yeah, boys, I'm very happy with this purchase. All right, guys, so here we are on the inside. As you can see, it's just a regular, Lamborghini. It's just nothing too crazy. I got the black interior with the red stitching and stuff like that. Like, I love the black and red seats on these cars, man. They're just freaking insane, dude. But yeah, guys, we're also gonna show you the new place. I don't have anything inside of it, so who cares, man. Let's just show it to you. But let's talk about this, man. This little mini account flip. I mean, bro, like, it's up pretty nice. It would be up a lot more, but I got really like pussied out and I bitched out, and I was like, let me just secure some money, bro. And dude, I missed out on a 100 pip drop with accumulated 14 lots, dude. But we're not gonna talk about that, right? This is what we're gonna talk about. We're gonna talk about the fact that, today alone, we did a lot of scalping, aggressive scalping and stuff like that. We're up $1,900, almost 2,000. But anyways, we opened up this account with $3,001 on literally the 27th. No, the 22nd, I'm sorry. And whatever, our last trade was the 1st. So I mean, if you go here on the calendar, it's literally 1 week. 22nd, Monday, and then the 1st. Boom. So 1 whole week we made 300% on this small little account. Up $6,000. It would be up so much fucking more, dude. Oh, why did I bitch out? But anyways, this would just be a part 1, guys. I mean, I don't know. I want to take it to like $20,000-$30,000, and I have no idea, dude. Like, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Like, I really don't know what I'm gonna do. But yeah, I'll show you guys some chart work also on how I was able to scale in on that and add on to positions and stuff like that, and get the most out of the setup. But anyways, let's go look at the new place, man. I'll show you guys what's up, what I got planned for it and everything, and then we'll come back and yeah, we'll see what's good, guys. But remember, this will be like a little part 1, man. I plan to do a little series, man. Let's bring this freaking $3,000 account at 30 grand, 20 grand, who cares? We'll withdraw the money and then we'll go spend it on stupid shit, right? And here we go. Here's a little POV of driving the Lamborghini. I got a cop behind me, so I'm not gonna go really fast. I mean, I'm surprised he hasn't fucking done anything because I'm doing like 10 over, but well, actually I'm doing like 20 over. Fuck. But anyways, POV, baby. Yo, look at this guy coming over here. Alright, so I know a lot of people will be like, oh, you didn't show it was a real account. So I'm gonna show you guys some double proof over here, because this ain't no fake shit, man. We ain't no demo gurus out here, first of all. So remember, over here, oops, sorry guys. So if you can see here, Daniel, here's our account number ending in 1637, go Forex real. Remember, as you can see here, boom, count ending with a balance of $9,039.85. So I'm also going to show you on the broker side as well that it is not fake, because you know anybody can fake these things. So I'm going to show you guys double proof, and then we're going to get straight into this little compounding and scaling in method that you know I've been using to build this account in 1 week of 300%. So let me show you that right now, guys. Alrighty boys, so we are here finally on the computer, but before we get started, let's just go over here and show you. Remember guys, the account ended in 1637, the balance $9,039.85. It is a real account, as you can see here, live account. We can actually go in here and withdraw money, but I'm not going to click withdraw because it'll show my other accounts that I don't want to show the balances on those. Anyways, as you can see, real account, real account. I'm using Go Forex. This is the broker. Definitely recommend it. 1 to 500 leverage for us little gamblers. No, I'm just kidding. $10 minimum deposit. Raw spreads. So your spreads are literally amazing. GJ spreads are like 1 pip. GU spreads are half a pip. Like, dude, these spreads are insane. Gold spreads sometimes go to like 1 pip, 1.5 pips. Like, bro, like, I'm talking about instant profit sometimes. Remember, raw spreads. Not like other brokers that make money off the spreads. So the spreads are a lot higher. You know what I'm saying? But anyways, this is definitely a broker I definitely recommend for you guys. I'll leave the link down below. Definitely check them out. But anyways, I'm going to show you guys how I was able to flip $3,001 to $9,000, right? In just 1 week. Well, 1 trading week. But man, I wish I could have held some trades. I would have been up more than $20,000. Literally, I had sales all up here for this, like, but I literally chicken shitted out, like I pussied out, like it was so late in the day, like it's already 11:30, and like I'm like, this is probably not gonna melt even more. Oh my god. But anyways, I want to show you guys literally exactly how we were able to do this, and all the trades are taken on Zooms and signals. So you know, I'll definitely leave that below. We've been slaughtering it, you know, the last week and a half, 2 weeks. Like I'm talking about like win streaks after win streaks, like insane. Last week, you know, we only lost, I think it was like, no, it was 2 trades. We had it was whatever. But you know, we won more than 10 trades. It was pretty good. But anyways, let me show you guys over here, right? So kind of look at over here, right? The balance. Here's another proof again here on the NT4. So look at this, right? What else? I kind of want to show you, right? This is the compounding little scaling technique that I've been using, man. Look at this. You know, look at these little win streaks. You know what I'm saying? 2 win streak loss, 2 win streak loss, 1, 2, 3, 4 win streak loss, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Bro, like literally, oh my god, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 win streak right over here. 15 or 16, I counted that too fast. Like, you know what I mean? Like, they just, you know, look at this, another 6, 7 win streak right over here. You know what I mean? Like, another one over here. Like, dude, like, I'm telling you, bro, like, this little thing is pretty fucking insane, dude. Look, another freaking win streak. Like, look at the losses on these things, man. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 win streak again. We had a little break-even trade, 2 little losses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 win streak. Like, bro, like, look at all the wins. And imagine, like, this account would be so much more bigger, dude. But, you know, I've been kind of scared to hold it. Like, I'm like, let me just take that percentage. You know, let me keep building more capital so that way what I keep doing is, like, not so risky. You know what I mean? Because at this point, it's risky as hell. But let me kind of explain to you guys how I was able to do that, right? So here's the trick, right? Here's the trick exactly on how the hell you do this, right? So look at this. You gotta you you got to kind of, you know, have a bias, right? I'm going to be, let's say, for example, bearish on this setup, right? Man, this was the setup that I wanted to just die off of. But let's say I'm bearish on here, right? And this is how it works, right? So let's say, for example, I'm going to throw a sell right over here, right? My targets are going to be right over here, right? So I'm going to call these targets, right? It's an 80 pip move from here. I'm going to put stop loss at 500 over here, right? So look at this, right? So I'm risking 48 pips on this one trade to make 80 pips, right? The risk reward is not the best on this one. Keep in mind, that's not, the first trade is not the best. It doesn't matter. I'm not worried about the trade. What I'm worried about is the drawdown trades, right? So we got a trade right over here, correct? Boom. So this one's going to be an 80 pip trade. Boom. Where's the, oh, here it is. So there's going to be an 80 pip trade the second we close here. Let's say we get faked out, right? Remember, my stop loss is up here. So let's say, for example, I want to risk $1,000 on this trade, right? So, for example, I'm going to open up a trade here. And I'm going to keep scaling in and open up trades while I'm in drawdown to complete that $1,000, right? So let's say, for example, damn, we're going to have to do some math here in order for it to make kind of sense over here. So let's say we throw a one lot over here, right? If we lose this trade, it's 500 bucks. You know what I'm saying? Like, we lose 500 bucks, right? So let's say, well, let's forget about the $1,000. So let's say right here, right? We throw one lot here. If we lose this trade, it's going to be $500 negative. And let's say we get in again right over here, right? We got in again over here about 10 pips because the trick is like 10 pips, right? So I'll be able to open up 5 trades. So let's say, boom, another one here, right there. And I'm going to open up another sell over here. You know, another 10 pips over here. Bam. Remember, all these pip targets are over here. They're all, remember, these are all the targets. And over here, stop loss 100. And then I open up another sell right over here. Let's just get crazy with it. And bam. You know what I mean? Okay, cool. So it'll be a 15 pip stop loss with a 100 pip target. So look at this, right? I hope this is starting to make sense. I'm going to kind of bring myself kind of in there so I can kind of explain, right? So right now I have 4 trades open, right? And this stop loss is going to be 50 pips. This one is going to be 38 pips. This one's going to be 30 pips. And this one's going to be 15 pips, right? So that's about 15 plus 45 plus the 48 here, 55, 95, plus 40, plus 30. So let's put about 130 pips, right? So let's say we're going to risk 130 pips on this trade, right? Like accumulated on this trade. But keep in mind, we're risking 130 pips on 4 trades added up together to potentially make 80 pips here, 90 pips here, 97 pips here, and 113 pips here, right? So these 2 trades right here alone are 200 pips. This one right here is 150 pips. So you're talking about 350 pips, right? So you're really realistically making almost 3 times as much as you're gonna make. You know what I'm saying? So the key is holding it, dude. That's the key, holding it, because sometimes it kind of sucks. You know what I'm saying? So let's say, for example, I want to risk, you know, let's say I want to risk, like I said, 1,500 bucks on this trade, right? So even if the trade doesn't really go my way, who knows? Let's just put, you know, 130 pips. So we're gonna risk $1,300 on this trade, right? Every trade is a one lot. So every trade is a one lot, right? So every trade is a one lot. We're risking all these pips over here. So this adds up to 130 pips, and we're gonna risk $1,300, right? So each trade, I will lose $1,300 total if I lose this whole entire trading setup. Remember, it's one setup, right? So I would lose $1,300 if I lost all these trades, right? But look at this. How much would I fucking make if I were to stick to this, you know, whole trading setup? And this is why I literally wanted to cry. I literally wanted to die on this, but we're not going to talk about it because literally, you know, let's not talk about it, right? So over here, this trade would make $800. That's $800 right there, right? That trade alone is $800. This trade over here is $900. The next trade, that's $100. You know, that's $1,000 because 100 pips. And then over here, 1,011, so it's $1,100. So imagine how much money would I make if I would have hold this whole entire trading setup, right? Dude, I would have made almost $4 grand. literally 3,800 bucks on this whole entire setup, right? I would have made $3,800 only risking $1,300. So I'm making literally 3 times my risk on this trade instead of just making it only on this one trade right here. You know what I'm saying? So it's kind of like a dynamic compounding type situation. And it's also good to scale out of a losing position, right? So that's pretty dope. So that's kind of basically what I was really doing around the whole thing. I was kind of like setting how much money I want to lose and how much money I want to make, right? So this is where it gets kind of really dope because, you know, if you're profitable, like if you win more than you lose, then this is really fucking dope. Like it's really, really dope. You know, sometimes you won't even get all the way over here. You know what I'm saying? And it's I'm telling you guys, like, this is literally how I was able to do it. As you can see, I mean, look at the wins. There's so much more wins than losses over here. Like, bro, we could have made so much more on that drop, dude, but you know, we ended up getting out of here at a few $100, and you know, because it was rejecting this 50 SMA, and then just completely bled out. That would have been a $20,000 trade, but we're not gonna talk about it. We're not gonna talk about it, you know. But that's exactly how I was able to do it. You know, I'm very skilled at trading, so I mean, I was able to do it. I mean, I'm probably gonna run this account up, you know, probably 20-30 racks by the end of this week. Hopefully, the setups are there, and so are the confirmations for me to scale in. But yeah, guys, it's basically exactly what I did in order to literally make 300% on the account. But other than that, guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video, man. If you guys want part 2, bro, because I'm telling you, I'm running this bitch up 20-30 grand by the end of this week. You know what I'm saying? If you guys want part 2, I need at least 1,000 likes on this damn video. And give me your thoughts on this. I don't know. Give me your thoughts. I really didn't. I feel like I didn't explain it that well because, you know, it's very hard to explain things. You know, I don't really have. We're already 10 minutes into this part of the video, so I mean, I hope you guys can understand kind of more of what I'm talking about. But yeah, guys, that's basically it. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want part 2, like I said, I need a minimum of 1,000 freaking likes. So I'll see you guys hopefully in part 2. Let's get it.